Hey guys, how you doing today? Fixer Pros here. We have a Samsung A15. We need to do a screen repair. So we are going to use this aftermarket OLED screen. Comes with the frame and everything. So we're gonna basically work on it. All right, I preheated this already. So we're just gonna go ahead and start. Get a blade under there. Just gotta be careful with this. It's not glass, but still, you don't want to crack it. So just get your blade under here. I like using a little isopropyl alcohol just to loosen up the glue a bit. All right, so let's get in there. Let's put this to the side so I don't break that. And we're gonna go open this up. And just kind of go around. Don't dig in too deep just in case there's something. This might have been opened already. Careful with this, yeah, like that paint kind of like chips. It's all right. So again, just go around. Just gonna get around there. One second. Sometimes if the other tape kind of still stuck on there, I like to cut it just so that I can maybe use it a little bit later. Alrighty, so this is coming off like this. Just cut that off. Okay, here we go. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, so that's off. Now let's go ahead and take all these screws off. I won't bore you. I'll speed up this thing or hit pause. Okay, so here we go, finishing up, just taking all the screws out. Sometimes they don't come all the way out. I use a little tweezer, like this one up here. They're all the same size, so you don't have to worry about that. Anyways, okay, so here we're at. Let's try to use plastic tools, spudgers, to disconnect some of this stuff here. Now, let's remove that SIM tray. Okay, bam. Tray's out. Now let's go ahead and lift apart, separate this. Okay, just go around. So here's some. Careful around here. You don't want to dig in real deep there because you don't want to mess up those power button flex cables. Okay, there you go. You hear that cracking. Something else. Just gotta go around carefully. Okay, there you go. Little glue. Okay, bam. So put that off to the side. Now we're back here. And let's see what we gotta do. Sometimes there's a little bolt, like so. Take that bolt down, put that one to the side, okay? And then go ahead and disconnect your battery. What do we do with the spudger? I'll use this one. Okay. Bam. And then I like to use my nail to disconnect that. Okay, here we go. Here's another little bolt holding down the charging port. Okay, so if you ever need to just change the charging port, just disconnect the battery and disconnect this. Put the charging port on. I like to leave all these connectors on, but just be careful with these wires that they're not like really stuck in here because you can rip this cord from this and then you have to get another antenna wire. Okay, just make sure that's loose. Then we can take this out and we'll put this somewhere else. Oh look, you gotta be careful here. You gotta disconnect this because this cable is part of the LCD, so let's disconnect that. Okay, not disconnect it, but just unlodge it. We'll put that off to the side. Okay, so now we're gonna have to heat this stuff up to take this out. So I'll heat it up and I'll show you in a second. Okay, heated it up. Let's see if we can disconnect or take off this little speaker guy, and then we'll put it in here for now so we don't lose it. Make sure that those little teeth or whatever, the little gold parts are down. Okay, now let's go ahead, take this little tape off. Oh, let's see what else we need to take off. Let's get the vibrator off. Sometimes there's a little bit of adhesive already on there. I'll just transfer it here. I'd recommend putting a little B7000 glue there, but it's fine. Okay, let's take this off. That should lift up pretty easily. Once you heated it up, of course. Try not to break that. Just get underneath there. Okay. We're gonna keep heating this so that we can take this battery off. I like to put a little isopropyl alcohol in there. We'll heat that up, get the battery out. Okay, let's move this over now to here. Okay. Okay, let's take these little stickers off here. This off. And I like to double check, make sure there's no like, how do you call it? Little gaskets, rubber gaskets for the proximity sensors. So there's nothing there. Just double check. There's none there either. Okay, keep heating it. Battery up. Now we can put the motherboard back in. So let's go ahead and put the motherboard back in. Screw that down. Put that bolt back there. Yeah, it's very important not to lose this bolt because that keeps everything tight. So remember, the red antenna was first. Put that in there. And then this is going to go right underneath that connection of the LCD. Go ahead and tighten this down as well. Okay. Should be sitting pretty flush. Okay, so that part, just make sure that's lined up. Could put a little glue there, but let's see what happens. Okay, snap that in there. You can, that'll hold down when we put the frame part on there. So next, we just gotta wait for the battery. So let's take a look at the battery, 1 second. Okay, we're back to the battery. Let's see. Okay, so we can get this in here. Just be careful. They heat it, no, not to poke this batteries because these batteries can catch on fire. So, alright, there you go. Samsungs are pretty easy to take out, but just be careful either way. Okay, cool. Put that to the side. And let's go ahead and put some tape. Okay, I got some tape in there. Some double tape. I don't like to put too much, but just to hold it in place. Let's take that off right there. Okay. Because there should still be some adhesive on this thing. So just put that in there. It's fine. Connect that there. Let's connect your battery. Let's see if this thing works. And we'll connect this part in a second. Go ahead and snap this back on here. Let's make sure, first and foremost, that our antennas are lined up properly, which they were not. One second. Okay, so let's line those up. There you go. Okay, let's go ahead and put this, connect this on. And that's pretty much it. I don't think that's lined up properly. We'll have to double check that. But anyways, let's see if it powers on. Hopefully this is got some juice on it. There you go. Put the bolts back in. Obviously the plate, that's pretty much it. Let's see what's going on here. Boot now. Probably have to double check that. Okay, so with the little readjusting, yeah, the antenna wasn't in properly, but that's it. Okay, next thing, put all the bolts back in. Okay, we're just putting the last bolt in, the bottom. And then what I like to do is usually use some B7000 glue. We'll have to clean this up a little bit more. Put the back plate on here. And just put some vice grips. Clean it up nice for the customer. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, thanks again. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you want any more videos like this. Have a great day.